Keep root vegetables fresh for weeks. Fridge storage tips. To store root vegetables in the refrigerator, first trim the leafy tops to prevent moisture loss, then brush off excess dirt and allow them to dry thoroughly. Loosely pack the dry vegetables in perforated plastic bags to allow for some airflow and place them in the produce drawer, checking and culling any that show signs of spoilage to maintain freshness. Trim the tops. Cut or twist off the greens from root vegetables like carrots, beets, and turnips. The leaves draw moisture from the roots, so removing them prevents the vegetables from drying out. Brush off dirt. Gently brush off any clinging soil from the roots. Avoid washing them thoroughly until you're ready to cook them. Dry the vegetables. After removing the tops and brushing off dirt, spread the roots on a cloth-lined tray and let them air dry for a few hours in a cool, well-ventilated room. Select and sort. Set aside any damaged, bruised, or nicked roots for immediate use, as these will spoil faster. Use perforated bags. Pack the dry, healthy roots loosely into plastic bags. The perforations allow for some airflow, which is beneficial for their storage. Place in the produce drawer. Store the bagged vegetables in the refrigerator's produce drawer, which provides the optimal high humidity, low temperature environment. Monitor for spoilage. Check on your root vegetables regularly, removing any that begin to soften or show signs of rot to prevent them from affecting others.